So let's start. Numerical number 67. X and Y are partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 was as follows. You can see outstanding rent is given. Okay. Creditor is given. Workman compensation reserve is distributed to partners capital account, and capital of both the partners are given. So we can do easily these points. Then here you can see cash is given, debtor is given, provision for doubtful debt, stock, profit and loss account is given here. It means it is loss. So it will be distributed to partners capital account. Okay, in debit side. Machinery is given. All these normal points are given. Let us see what is given in adjustment. On 1st April 2020, they admitted Z for 1/6 share. How much? 1/6 share on the following terms. Z brings in 40,000 as his share of capital, okay, but he is unable to bring any amount of goodwill. Remember, this is the point. It means we need to calculate and we will take this amount from his capital account. He is unable to bring any amount of goodwill. Claim on workman compensation is 3,000. And children, we have seen that here workman compensation reserve is 5,600. So 3,000 we cannot distribute because now it is claim. So we can distribute only which is left. So 2,600 we will distribute. Okay. Write off bad at 6,000. Okay, we will do. Creditors are to be paid 2,000 more. Okay, revaluation account. There being a claim against firm for damages, liability to the extent 2,000 will be created. Okay, so it will also go in revaluation account. Outstanding rent to be brought down to 11,200, so liability is revalued. It will also go in revaluation account. And the next point and last point, the goodwill is valued at 1.5 year purchase of the average profit of the last 3 years. So first we solve up to here and then less 12,000. So this is what the goodwill of the firm. Profit for the last 3 years are given 10, 20 and 30. Past journal entries, prepare partners capital account and balance sheet. A very good question, children, here. So we will start this question with working note of goodwill. Okay. Working note of goodwill. So that working note for calculation of goodwill. So according to question, 3 years profit are given, first, second and third. That is 10, 20 and 30,000. Profit is given 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. So what to do? We need to take out average. How to calculate? 60,000. 60,000. This is the total. To calculate average profit, what is needed? Average profit is equal to 60,000 divided by 3 is equal to 20,000. This is average profit. Okay. But in the question it is mentioned that goodwill is valued at 1.5 year purchase of the average profit. 1.5 year purchase. So goodwill will be 20,000 into 1.5 year, 1.5 year. Okay, it will be 2 1 2.5, 30,000. 30,000. And here it is mentioned after it. You can see here it is written here minus 12,000, less 12,000, whatever comes. So that's why we will subtract here minus 12,000. What we get? 18,000. So what is this 18,000? 18,000 is the goodwill of firm. Now this is first step. Second step, that partner, who is the partner? Z. Z share is 1/6 and he is unable to bring. So first we need to calculate what is Z share in the goodwill. So let's write second point. Z's share in the goodwill. Z share in goodwill is equal to 18,000 multiply by 1 by 6. So 6 3 ja 18. So this is Z's goodwill. Okay. And what is sacrificing ratio? In this question, ratio is not changed, isn't it? So their ratio was 3:2. So that goodwill is to be distributed into 3:2. This goodwill is distributed by the existing partners in 3:2. This is what first working note. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, children? I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we do? Now we will prepare revaluation account. Yes. So let's start revaluation account. Write off bad debt 6,000. But children, here in the question now, you can see provision for doubtful debt is given 4,000. So how much it will come? How much it will come? And in which side?
2000, sir.
2,000 will come. Which side? Debit side. Okay.
Yep.
Debit side it will come. So we write here to debtors 2,000, and then creditors are to be paid 2,000 more. Now your liability is increasing. Again it will come in debit side to creditors 2,000. Now it is mentioned here, there being a claim against firm for damages, liability to the extent 2,000 should be created. Again liability is created. Okay, claim against damages. We can write again in debit side to claim for damages. Again 2,000. And then outstanding rent be brought down to 11,200. So how much is outstanding rent? 13,000. You can see here, isn't it? You can see it is 13,000. Now it has been come down to 11,200. It means 1,800 is decreasing. So decreasing means it is a profit. So we write in credit side by outstanding rent. Yes or no, children? By
Yes.
outstanding rent 1,800. Okay. Let us see. I think all points are over. Yes, all points are over. Now do the total. So let us do the total. It becomes 6,000. 6,000 minus 1,800. 6 minus 1, 5. 4,200. So
4000.
4,200 is the loss. Okay. By loss transferred to partners capital account. It will be distributed to the existing partners X and Y in their ratio. X and Y in which ratio? Their ratio 3:2. Okay. So please divide 1680. Thank you. So up till revaluation account, everything is clear to everyone. Now I will prepare partners capital account. Y, Z. Ready? Partners capital account starts from credit side by balance brought down. Okay, let's check. X capital is 50 and Y is 60,000. So 50,000 and 60,000. Z brought how much? We can see Z brings in 40,000 as his share of capital. Okay. But you can see in book it is mentioned cash. Children, that is what I want to explain to everyone. If in balance sheet it is mentioned cash, and here it is mentioned that Z brings 40,000 as his share of capital, but it is not clear that through bank or through cash, so we normally write cash account. We normally assume cash. So buy cash. How much? He brought 40,000. So he brought 40,000. Is that clear? Now there is a loss in revaluation account. To revaluation account, loss of revaluation we write in debit side. How much it is there? 2520 and 1680. So 2520 and 1680. Is it clear to everyone? Huh? Now you can see profit and loss account is given here in balance sheet. You can see here, everybody, 4,000 rupees is given here. What we do? This is also distributed. Okay. So it will come in debit side. So to profit and loss account will come here.
Sir,
To
2,400,
profit and loss account distribute in 3:2
Sir, 2,400 and 1,600.
and 1600, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now children, one more thing you can see here in balance sheet, workman compensation reserve is given 5,600 here. But here in adjustment, here it is mentioned that there is a claim of rupees 3,000. So out of 5,600, we cannot distribute 3,000. So how much we can distribute, children?
2,600.
It means we can distribute only 2,600. And that also in which ratio? Their old ratio 3:2. So that we distribute workman compensation reserve 2,600 into 3:2. So please distribute 2,600 3:2. Now, children, there is one more thing in adjustment. You can see here goodwill. What is the goodwill of Z? 3,000,
3,000.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But he is unable to bring. Children, in this condition, when Z is unable to bring, normally there are two ways. Either we deduct his capital or we open current account. Okay, both ways are correct. Either we open current account or we deduct his capital. So I will explain both the cases here by Z's capital account. In this question, I am explaining by deducting his capital, Z capital account. So what is his goodwill? 3,000. So divide 3,000 into 3:2.
1,800 and 1,200.
1,800 and 1,200. So what is happening here? Z is unable to bring any amount of goodwill. So that's why Z's account is debited by 1,800 and 1,200. And Z is giving this 1,800 to X. So we write here to X capital account. And Z is giving 1,200 to Y. So we write here to Y's capital account. This is one way of doing the adjustment of goodwill. When Z is unable to bring amount of goodwill, his goodwill is to be deducted from his capital account. This is first thing. And second thing, you cannot deduct his capital account. There is another way. Another way, directly you can write here by Z's current account. You can open current account of Z. So both the conditions are correct. Okay. So this is one more way. Let us see of what is left. We have distributed everything. Workman compensation, profit and loss, goodwill, revaluation loss. Everything is over, children. I hope everything is over. So let us solve. Do the total 53,360, 62,240 and yes, 40,000. Now we need to take out the balance. Quickly take out the balance. Now we can prepare balance sheet, children, by using these values. Very good question it is. Balance sheet. Liability side. I will start always with capital of all the partners. Capital of X, Y and Z. X capital is given 48,440. Y's capital like 44,400. Okay. Now let's see here. Come on balance sheet. Outstanding rent. Okay. So we write outstanding rent. How much? New value is 11,200. Okay. Now let us see creditors. Creditors are to be paid 2000 more. So creditors will come 22,000. Now let us see workman compensation reserve. 2600 is distributed, children, isn't it? 2600 distributed, so only 3000 is left. So that is workman compensation claim. Workman compensation claim 3000 will come now because 2600 we have distributed. Then capital is over, credit, everything is over, anything is left. There being a claim against firm for damages. So there is one more liability, claim for damages. Okay. And let us see what is given. Outstanding rent, creditors, bad debts, everything is over here. Okay, fine, everything is over. Now let's start with asset side, cash. How much cash will come? Now tell me. 10,000 cash is given and he has brought capital only
40,000.
40,000. That is 50,000. Okay, first point. Now second, debtors. What is the treatment of debtors? Debtors. Children, it is given 80,000 and there is no provision. Only bad debts was there, isn't it? Bad debts given in adjustment. How much? 6,000. So that decreases. You can directly write 74,000. Okay. Then stock. Is there any change in stock? There is no change in stock. So it will come 20,000. Stock 20,000. Then profit and loss distributed. Machinery. Any change in machinery?
No.
No. 38,600. Machinery 38,600. 38,600. Okay. And then what is left? Everything is over. I hope everything is over. Yes. Yes, children, everything is over. Now do one thing. Do the total. Let's see total is coming equal or not. 1,82,600. I hope this question is clear to everyone.